Welcome back to Success Academy. Today we have to learn about the quadratic equations. In this quadratic equation, there is the topic is the relation between the roots and coefficients of quadratic equation. The relation between roots and coefficients of the quadratic equation. You know the quadratic equation form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If you taken the alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation and the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and the product of the roots alpha into beta equal to c by a is a formulas. That formulas how to get, first of all I explain you. See here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation form. In this, alpha beta are the roots. Alpha comma beta are roots of quadratic equation, and roots are considered. Next, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a is the formulas to find the sum of the root and the product of the roots. How to get the alpha plus beta is a minus b by a. You know the formula method of the quadratic equation. Roots of should be considered as alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a consider, and beta should be considered as a minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the alpha beta value should be considered, and these both should be the add it, and alpha plus beta is equal to the minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus beta value is a minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is a beta value, and both denominators are the same. 2a is a common denominator. The numerator minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b, here minus b square root of b square minus 4ac, plus into minus is here plus, we have plus minus is a minus only written, minus b is minus square root of b square minus 4ac, here minus square root of b square minus 4ac plus square root of b square minus 4ac will be the get cancelled. So remaining terms are the numerator minus b is a minus 2b divided by 2a, and 2 will be get cancelled. Minus b by a is the value of sum of the roots alpha plus beta. This is called the sum of the roots. Sum of roots formula is a minus b by a because this is the form we get the value of sum of the roots value. It is a proof of the sum of the roots of quadratic equation and product of roots of quadratic equation. How to find that I explain you now. Now alpha into beta, product of roots, that is alpha into beta value, how to find. Now you know the alpha value is a minus b root square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is alpha into beta multiplication, do it here. Alpha into beta is equal to alpha value is a minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into the multiplication of to the minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These both should be the multiplication unit. numerator to numerator multiplication do it, denominator to denominator multiplication do it. Here in the numerator is in the form of a plus b, a minus b form, a square minus b square, minus b whole square, a square, b square, b replace square root of b square minus 4ac is the value of b, replace of b we have b square. A plus b, a minus b form is given. You should write the a square minus b square. Okay, divided by into multiplication. 2a into 2a is a 4a square. The numerator minus b square is a minus square is a plus b square only. Minus b into minus b. Minus into minus is a plus. B into b is a b square. B square will be get cancelled, minus outside. Remaining terms is a b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. So b square minus 4ac. Multiply with the minus here. B square minus b square, minus into minus is a plus 4ac divided by 4a square. B square will get cancelled. Remaining terms are the 4ac divided by 4a square. Here 4a will be get cancelled. 1a is get cancelled. Another remaining is only c in the numerator, a in the denominator. C by a is the value of alpha into beta. Product of roots. There is a product of roots. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. We have to do the some problems on this problem now. Now see 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0 is given the quadratic equation. And this find the sum of the roots alpha plus beta value, product of the roots alpha into beta value. Here you know the formula. Before writing the formula, it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. So a value is a 2, b value is a minus 4, c value is a minus 3. Alpha plus beta is the formula minus b by a. Here alpha plus beta is equal to minus b value is a minus 4, minus of minus 4 by a value is a 2. Minus into minus is a plus 4 by 2, 2 is a 4. Alpha plus beta is a 2 we get. And alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So c value is a minus 3 divided by a value is a 2. Minus 3 by 2. It is one of the problem belongs to the finding the value of alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. When the alpha, beta or the roots are given the quadratic equation values. Alpha, beta are the roots. One important formula. Alpha, beta are roots of quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. Then equation form. Writing the form of quadratic equation is a x square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus alpha product of the roots equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation form when the roots are given, when the alpha beta roots are given. So one of the problem of learn on this form. For example, roots are given. 0 and 4 are the roots of quadratic equation are given. Now form the quadratic equation. These are roots are given. Form the quadratic equation. This is considered alpha is a 0, beta is a 4 is given. Now first of all find the alpha plus beta value. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to the 4. Alpha plus beta, you got the 4 here, and alpha into beta. Now find alpha into beta value. Alpha into beta is 0 into 4 is 0. Alpha into beta value is 0. Here alpha plus beta, alpha into beta value first of all find out. Next, write the quadratic equation form. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. In this, submit the given values. X square minus alpha plus beta value is 4 into x plus alpha into beta value is 0 is equal to 0. So we got the x square minus 4x is equal to the 0 is the required quadratic equation form. Here another problem, second, when the roots are given the 2 minus root 5 comma 2 plus root 5 is given. How to write the form of quadratic equation? This is considered as a alpha and that is second one considered as a beta. 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5 is given. So first one considered as alpha. Alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5. Beta is equal to 2 plus root 5 consider. First of all find the alpha plus beta value. Alpha value is 2 minus root 5 plus beta value is 2 plus root 5. Minus root 5 plus root 5 will be get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4. Alpha plus beta value is 4 you got now, and alpha into beta means multiplication. 2 minus root 5 bracket 2 plus root 5. Both we are multiplying. It is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square. 2 square minus root 5 whole square. Square root will be get cancelled. 2 square value is 4. Root 5 will be get cancelled. This minus 5 only remain. 4 minus 5 is a minus 1. Alpha into beta value is a minus 1. You know the quadratic equation form. Formula is x square minus alpha into beta into x. Alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Submit the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. X square minus alpha plus beta value is 4x plus alpha into beta value is a minus 1 is equal to 0. Write into the standard form. X square minus 4x plus into minus is a minus 1 is equal to 0. This is required quadratic equation. And do some more problems on this formula. Subscribe our channel Success Academy Mathematics classes. Thank you.